Hey, good morning, Lynn. This is just a quick video of where we live. Here's the front of our house. Here's our neighborhood. It's what it looks like. Nice, quiet neighborhood. And you come. You got a nice tree. And some flowers, and there's Dexter looking at me. And we have a bench in the front, and a doorbell, and a light. And we come in. This is the first thing you see. Lana playing. And this is me and Rob's bedroom. And the doggies are excited. This is our room. This is our closet. It's Dexter and Isa's bed. Here's the bathroom and our bedroom. Yes, and Dexter's here to Grandma. Okay. There's our, oh, there's Lana. Here's our laundry room. A little messy. We have a garage. Here's the living room. Lana's watching her show. She loves that show. Say hi, baby. Hi. Yeah. It's our exercise machine. Here's the kitchen. It's our table. It's our refrigerator. Here's our backyard. It's kind of flooded right now from the rain, but a nice big backyard. There's Isa and Dexter's food. There's the picture that Daniel and his little kids made for us. Here's what the living room looks like from this side. Got some decorations. Nice fan. Nice big window. See the backyard from it. It's all wet. There's the cutie pie again. I'm a cutie pie. Hey. Yeah. And this is the hallway. A picture of Lana. Isa, stop drinking the toilet water. There's Isa drinking the toilet water. Here's the other bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Then down the hall we have our hall closets. And we have, this is the playroom. And Rap's computer is there. Lana's toys and her books. And we can go on the computer. And then we have Lana's bedroom. It's a little bit messy to put away some clothes. My wedding dress is in there. It's Lana's bedroom. Her crib. That's where I keep her socks and her shorts. And then her drawer, closet. And that's pretty much our house. We have nice floors. Hi, Mama. Hi, beautiful. Hi, pretty girl. Are you playing? Yeah? Do you want me to pick you up? So that's our house. They're crazy puppies. Eyes off. Eyes are soft. Look at my. Okay, well, we love you and just wanted to make a video to show you the house. We love you and miss you.